Tuairdum. Tuairdum de chópleabhar.
Ersa an múnteoir.
Seo duit mo chópleabhar.
Ersa lia. Thug Cian bruntanas do wami. Thug mami póg do. Thug an múnteoir bula bus doing. Dia yív. Shahid macharja. Thug me úla dóibh.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cadja dúirt an múntóir. Ceiste dó. Cadja dúirt lia. Ceiste trí. Thug Cian bruntanas de yadi. Ceiste cathair. Thug an Colleen úla dóibh.
Tuairdum means give to me. So we've got me, tu, she, she, shin, shiv, she. That's me, you, him, her, us, you, them, and underneath that we've got dum, give to me, dit, give to you, do, give to him, di, give to her, doing, give to us, div, give to you, plural, and doiv, give to them. So in the story here we've got Tuairdum de chópleabhar. Give me your chópleabhar, Ersa an múntóir, said the teacher. Should ditch mo chópleabhar. Here's for you my copybook, said Leah. And then we've got, in the next picture, Thug Cian. Cian gave a bruntanas do wami. Cian gave a present to Mummy. Thug Mummy gave a póg do. Mummy gave him a kiss. Thug on múntóir, the teacher gave a bula bus doing to us. Dia yív, that's the way of saying hello to you all. And you plural. And then the last one is Seo iad macharja. Here are my friends. Thug me, I gave an apple, dóibh to them. Okay, so to me, to you, to him, to her, to us, to you, plural, to them.